Hey guys, this is Jordan here, and I'm just making this quick video because I just came back from Gamestop a few minutes ago, and I was finally able to get Pokemon Legends Arceus, which I'm super excited to play. I cannot wait, and I was somehow able to avoid 99% of the spoilers between when it was announced and now, which is awesome. I cannot wait to get into this with fresh eyes and just experience a Pokemon game again with a fresh heart and a fresh experience. So yeah, I'm super excited to play this game, but in the meantime I wanted to show you the unboxing. It's not much, but I still wanted to show it to you guys anyway, and I wanted to show you the little pre-order bonus that I got from GameStop, which also was nothing. I actually pre-ordered the UK version of Pokemon Legends Arceus because their pre-order bonus is like amazing. They get a sealed book, they get like a Pokeball little like, you know, statue, and obviously like I wanted that. I'm mad because in the US we got these little like art cards, which I'm going to show you in a few minutes here. But yeah, so I'm going to show you just real quick what it looks like, the box art, which is something that is a little old school to appreciate, but I just do and wanted to share with you guys. So let me get going on this. Let me show you what's going on, and let's check it out. Okay guys, I don't want to spend too much time on this here because just like you, I'm very excited to start playing. So on the front, we get the promotional art that we've been looking at since this game was first ever announced. Unfortunately, there was no real mix-up here. And on the back, we get some screenshots of the game, all of which look like ones that we've seen before. So again, nothing new. And finally, on the inside, you get the game itself, as well as a beautiful art piece of the entire region. And that's pretty much it. There's nothing crazy here. Because I picked my copy up at GameStop, we got these little cards as a pre-order bonus, which looked nice, don't get me wrong, but I was pretty bummed out that there wasn't anything particularly cool, so I ordered the UK version as well for that steel case and the Pokeball statue. Like I said, that's pretty much it. I popped in the game, fired it up, and it looks awesome so far. I love the Pokemon franchise, so I feel really lucky actually that I was able to wait all this time without any spoilers. Personally, I expect this game to be a great fresh experience, and I can't wait to start diving in. So I'm gonna get out of here and start this little adventure here. Until next time guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.